Okay, sanibonani. Namhlanje ngizoyenza i-trade breakdown yanamhlanje. It's going to be a quick one. So into ebengifuna ukuyikhuluma ukuthi ngiqale ku-daily time frame, ngabuka ama-candlestick angithi ukuthi avala kanjani, ayenza kanjani. So ngivele nga-decide ukuthi okay, it's looking very bullish because of what? Because of the other previous candles which basically they were body closing above each other, yabona. So mengiceda laphaya ngaya ku-15 minute. By the way, ngithatha ama-trade amabili namhlanje, understand. So ngithe ngifika laphaya ngithe ngifika laphaya ngithe ngifika laphaya ngavele ngabona i-TCISD validation to the downside. Ngavele ngayenza, ngathatha i-trade to the downside. Sorry guys, I'm a bit distracted. There's something happening. Okay, and then yeah, ngathatha i-TCISD trade angithi ngibona i-SSMT ku-5 minute, ngoba ku-15 minute bengana SMT, bengana lutho angithi. Ngavele ngabona ukuthi okay, athi ngisathe i-trade kuphi, to the downside. Oh no, to the upside, because i-TCISD ibe validated to the upside angithi. But there was also an ITCSD that formed angithi, and there was it was a news day today ngabo 9. So ngithathele trade ngabo 9 nge-London session angithi. So yeah, ngavele ngenza kanjalo, took a trade to the downside, yabona. Took a trade to the downside, and then yeah, that was it. So yeah, I took that trade to the downside and everything went down, and then yeah, so it went up ekuqaleni and then it reversed down. Luckily I had the TCISD entry, even though it was not measured properly in risk, because usually in Tata like for one trade I take 50% of the daily risk angithi. So because in Tata for counter for TCISD and ITCISD, I split that 50% into two. So 25% on the TCISD validation, 25% on the ITCISD. So meya phezulu nge-TCISD la, ithathe le 25%, and then it reversed, and then when it reversed it triggered ITCISD. So I was still in the trade going down now. So then it went down, and then ngathola about woma 2 point something risk to reward angithi. So yeah, ngavele yavele yayenza and stuff, and then kwaba right, wabona. So then yeah, kwaba njalo, and then so yeah, ngiyabonga. Ngibonga for ukuthi nibuke le video, but ngizoyicut short this time. Hopefully next time it's going to be more concise and stuff. Mara ngiyabonga guys, ngibonga i-support. Ngibonga ukuthi nithathe isikhathi ukuthi nizame